Anarsia tortuosa is a moth in the family Gelechiidae. It was described by Meyrick in 1913. It is found in Japan, Ryukyus, and Sri Lanka. The wingspan is about 14 mm. The forewings are brown, sprinkled with dark fuscous, and with undefined irregular longitudinal streaks of ochreous-whitish suffusion above and below the fold throughout. There is a streak of dark fuscous suffusion along the fold throughout, and the rest of the wing irregularly marked with broken longitudinal streaks of dark fuscous suffusion. The costa is suffused with dark fuscous from before the middle to 4/5. The hindwings are gray, thinly scaled and subhyaline anteriorly, with the veins and termen dark fuscous. References